Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. See, today I have received a laptop. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad T420. So model number is DAGC 9EMB8E0 revision E. The exact problem is it's working fine. The dealer is telling it's working fine. Once it's shut down or after some times it won't start. And when he check the CLR voltage, it's very dropped voltage. In DC also fluctuation will be there. In this kind of situation, what we have to do? So that is the question. See, I'm going to connect the DC. Check the DC. I connected. Now I'm see automatically it's changing. See, this is the issue here. See, I am not doing anything. So then also the DC automatically changing. So one hint he has given, when CLR he checked, so that time it will be vary. Where we need to check, so that side it will be there. We'll check here. See, here is the CLR. So PR206. I have schematic, board view, everything, but let me check manually first. Should not edit with schematics. One by one we will check. See, still it's fluctuating. In this condition, what we will tell? This is the load issue or any getting short, any MOSFETs or anything. Okay, CLR. What he told, that we will check. See the CLR, that also vary, right? 10 volts, 10 volts, 5 volts. Okay. In this case, when this motherboard will get on, practical experience what we have, that I will show you today. So one by one, for beginners I will tell you one by one how we have to sort out this kind of issues. See, still it's varying. Okay, see the DC. Now it's okay. See, started. Now I'll check the CLR. CLR, same thing. It's 5, 9, 10 like that. Okay, in this condition, if I turn it on, what will be the result? No result, nothing. Okay, one by one. First, we need to check the load, right? The CLR itself for fluctuating in the sense, we need to check from the beginning. So I am checking from the beginning. The DC, see, it's 19.45. See, after that, a fuse is there. See, a fuse, right? So we need to check the fuse. Fuse, it's 19.46. Okay, next, see, it attached to the coil, right? By seeing only we can identify. See the coil voltage is 19.46. Okay, after that, here is a diode, that also same thing, it's a ESD diode, right? Then it is attached here one more MOSFET. The source voltage is 19.42. Okay. Next, the output of this, here it is. See, the output of this MOSFET, it's 11 vary, right? Why it's varying? So is this the issue? Okay, I do one thing, I will check the gate. What's the gate? See, the gate is 5.6. See the amp, when I touched the gate, it got started. See the fan? Now it's working. Now I'll check the CLR. See, the CLR is 18.9. What do you think? What will be the issue in this condition? See, I don't think. I'll turn it off. Just a minute. It's not turning off properly. Anyway, directly I'll disconnect this. Okay, again I'll connect. Let me check again what will be the issue. See, same issue. Right. See, I'm going to turn it on. No. No use. Right. So, something short? No. Okay. Again, what I'll do, I'm going to hold that gate of this particular MOSFET. Now you see the DSO. I'm going to hold that. Now 18.16 DSO. Is it constant? No, still it's vary. See the voltage of this, it's input 19 and gate 17. Oh, it started. See, in this condition, what you have to do? Any guesses? It's very simple, right? It's turning on, but when you turn it off, again it won't turn on. So again it will show the short. Any idea exact issue what it will be? I can solve it because of experience. I can solve it. And what about you? What you people will think? So generally that MOSFET issue or CLR issue, what exactly you will think? Okay, we do one thing, we solve it, and after that I'll come to you. Okay, I made a changes. So what changes I'll tell you later. But after that changes, what is the result in the DSO? So let us check once again. I'm going to connect this. Check the amp. See, directly showing 16. Now let us check. Yes, it's on. Right, see the fan? Directly without any disturbance, it on. Now what about the keyboard? Let me check display has come or not. See the num lock. Okay, caps lock. That also working. See here, amp increasing. So once again I will do Control Alt Delete. It will restart or not? Control Alt Delete. See, restarted. Once again I will do Control Alt Delete. Okay, restarted. Again I will remove this and I will reconnect it. See the amp. I am directly connecting. See the amp. It's increasing because I removed here CMOS, so that's why automatically it's getting start. Once again, what is the display? See, display came. I'll do Control Alt Delete. Started. Control Alt Delete. Started. What was the issue in this? Issue got solved or not? Now let us check. See, now the load, what we are telling now, that load issue was with this 3-leg transistor. It is, yes, Yes. This 3-leg transistor was giving the issue. But some people will remove this and they will send the board. But actual issue solved, but it created one more issue. That what is that? I will tell you now. See the multimeter. I will show the CLR. See, I am going to check the battery CLR. This is the battery CLR. What is the voltage? 18.6. This. See, this is the battery CLR. This one is normal CLR, adapter CLR. Okay, this voltage is 18.5. In both CLR we are getting 18.5. So here you need to take a little bit care. So the main solution is not removing this component. You need to replace the component, then only you will get 100% solution. Otherwise it's very difficult to maintain other part, because once other problems creates, so it's very difficult to solve those things. Anything could be done, right? So here battery section, once you connect the battery, it may get blast, or it may not charge, it may turn off. So many issues you will get. Okay, anyway, so this is the simple problem, but in complicated way we will take it out, right? So the main thing is, don't remove the components, please replace the components. So this is the, what is that, summary of this particular practical session. Thank you very much.